I'm Dr. Sharon, and I'm making this video to introduce myself for this inline course. I'm a faculty here within the School of Pharmacy. I've been here for almost 5 years in January, and I'm here living in Findlay with my dog, my cat, and my husband. The things I'm very passionate about, not necessarily in this order, but my teaching, my 37-year marriage to my husband Carrie, and my music. I enjoy both listening and playing. I learned to play bells. I've been wanting to do that all my life. I learned to play once I got to Findlay in a church bell choir. And after 37 years of raising my son and my daughter, and sometimes my husband, I picked up clarinet again to play in the Findlay band, and I've been enjoying it immensely. I've played piano on and off my entire life, especially in times that I needed to feel that I was making progress with something. My practice, I spent about 35 years practicing in pediatrics, which is also my passion, and clinical toxicology within a poison control system, and those are indeed my board certifications. I also coordinate interprofessional education. For the 35 years I was in pediatrics, it's sort of like the title of the Clinton book. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes a whole healthcare team to treat one. And so I've had lots of experience in pediatric therapy and working with other team members. So I coordinate that for the School of Pharmacy. I've done a lot of different things in my careers, and if I could encourage students, you guys, to do one thing and one thing only, it would to be embrace the enjoyment of learning for both professional and personal basis. I teach in about 15 courses. We team teach here in the School of Pharmacy, and so I push pediatrics and applied toxicology into many different courses. Plus, I enjoy immensely teaching my own electives in pediatrics and in toxicology and in interprofessional education. I try to make those fun and enjoyable for the students, including reading novels that apply directly to toxicology, or making games to teach pediatric patients about their disease states. I guess I will encourage my students to ask questions of any time online, and I will try to get back to you within a 24-hour time frame, excluding the wee hours between 11 at night and 6 in the morning, 4 in the morning, when I am not likely to be awake. I have several claims to fame on an informal basis, and these are things you can ask me about. I am the only faculty in the School of Pharmacy that was ever brought to the Royal Canadian Mountie Police Station in the back of a squad car. And so that is one claim to fame. And you can ask me about that at some point. I'll tell you the long, sordid story. But welcome on board, and I hope to make this course enjoyable. Thank you.